there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Live Trade in the Stock Market. If this is your first time with us, welcome. We appreciate you. My name is Bobby. I will be your host. It is Thursday, July 12th, 2018. Now, if you guys have been following along for a few episodes here, you should know that our number one position is CRISPR. That's our main breadwinner. We've got in absurdly low on that back between August and December of last year. They are a gene editing technology company. There's three of those, guys. There's three gene editing technology companies, CRISPR, Editas, and Telia. We do have minor stakes in the other two as well. We were able to buy those three shares for about $18 a piece on average, and they've made us about $138 so far. So super excited about that. I think right away here, PBI is going to drop well below our acceptable buying range. We're definitely going to make a swing at that. Feel thrilled to get this price. $8.91 here. We're going to do three shares. If you're not familiar with the channel, we do always buy in Fibonacci, in a Fibonacci ratio. That is 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. You can go back and watch some of the previous episodes to see us purchase PBI down here, kind of give you an idea of how that is done, how to keep that average as low as possible. Now, in the portfolio, the next position is GoPro. Next largest position, GoPro. Mobile camera company, action sports, drones. It's an American drone company. Pretty important with the news that DJI will not be fulfilling any more government contracts that broke about last year. That's kind of what got me interested there. And we've got a beautiful average of just under $6 on GoPro. Next largest position in the portfolio is Snapchat. I am playing that here as an AI stealth technology play or a future technology play. Couldn't be more excited to have a position in Snapchat. I've been long Snapchat for quite a while. PBI went up just a little bit. Looks like it's starting to drop back down. We may see it hit our limit after all. Looked like it was going to get away from us there for a little while. Next largest position in the portfolio, folks, will be Synchrony Financial. This is the nation's largest third-party supplier of credit cards. This was actually a Warren Buffett pick. That's what prompted me to get in. I got a great position. It does tend to trade in cycles, so we've already cashed out a few shares, and I'm happy to play Synchrony both long-term and short-term. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like we did get our limit order for PBI that just went through. We now have 7 shares. We did pull that order off at $8.91. Super excited, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching that go down. I couldn't be more thrilled to have those on board. Got an awesome average there. That puts us 7 shares, average of $9.48. That should just about do it for our opening bell segment. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, then like it. And why don't you leave me a comment down below. Leave me some questions, comments, stock picks, answers, sarcastic remarks. Subscribe, share this video. See you later today for our closing bell segment. Hope you have a profitable day. Bobby signing off.